Have a good day to all of you, my beloved followers. I'm back to share another video that I'm sure you'll learn something. If you are interested in this kind of content and if you have just watched my video for the first time, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the notification bell and then select all to notify you of my next videos. Have a nice day, guys. I'm back to share another tutorial that I hope you can learn. Our previous video was about the alert dialog, and now I'm going to teach you how to create a custom dialog that you can use to make it better design your alert dialog. And in the custom dialog that we will make today, I will also teach you to put an intent link action on the buttons. If you are interested, please watch the video until the end. Before we start coding in Java, let's start with the layout first. We will create a custom layout because the IDs are important here so that it can be read in Java if we call it. It's up to you how to beautify your custom dialog depending on what you want. But if relayouting is difficult for you, I have paid services and I'll take care of doing what you want. I will put my contact information in the description. And here I will create a layout where I will place the buttons. After we do the custom layout, we are here in Java. If you remember, this is our last code in the alert dialog. We will change something inside and add it. We can also put a toast when we click on the buttons, guys, to make it cool. A toast is a feedback message. It takes a very little space for displaying while overall activity is interactive and visible to the user. It disappears after a few seconds. It disappears automatically. If user wants permanent visible message, notification can be used. See that, guys? Now there is a short message when I click the buttons. And here we are in action. We will replace this finish with an intent link so that when we click on the button we will go to the link we placed. This URI should be imported above. Finally, we put the intent link action on the buttons and it worked. That's all, guys, in this video. I hope you learned something. Look out for my next videos. Please subscribe my channel, like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.